In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger on a Xero invoice in just 5 minutes. This process is pretty straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure that your branding stands out just the way you want it to. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Xero accounting software. Head over to the Xero login page using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, it's time to enter your email and password. Remember, it's crucial to ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any login complications. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the Login button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you're not already comfortable navigating it. Now look towards the top corner of the dashboard and you'll see the name of your company. Click on your company name to move forward. Following that, you'll need to select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Xero account, including your invoice layout and logo. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and click on Invoice Settings. This section provides you with a variety of options pertaining to your invoices. The next step is to select the Invoice Email template. Here you can customize how your invoices appear to your clients. Now you'll want to look for an Options button. Clicking this will bring up another menu where you can upload an email logo. This is where we'll be making the changes to the size of your logo. Click on the Upload Email Logo option and you'll then see a button labeled Browse. Clicking Browse allows you to navigate through your device to find the larger logo image you wish to upload. Select the file from your device that represents your logo in the size you desire. Once you've identified the correct file, click Upload. It might take a few seconds, but soon your larger logo will be uploaded and saved as part of your invoice template. If you have concerns about the file size, aim for something that balances quality with size, ensuring it's not too large to make your invoice difficult to manage but big enough to leave a great impression. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've managed to update the logo size on your Xero invoices. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that your newly updated invoices reflect your brand just as you've envisioned. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance.